Hey everyone, welcome to yet another video. TexConnect brings to you textile stock analysis in collaboration with Youth Vesting. A new video where we'll be discussing and analyzing something about the stock market within the textile industry. In this video, we bring to you the fundamental and the technical analysis of Indocount Industries.
Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh here to discuss about the fundamental analysis of this textile giant Indocount, a company which has expanded its footprints to over 96 cities and present across 21 states in India. Not just India, it has flourished its businesses in several other countries like the US, Australia, and England. A fun fact about this company is that it has given a gigantic 1200% returns to its investors in the last 18 months. Now let's begin with the fundamental analysis. Indocount offers finest products in the market and is one of the leading bedding providers in India. The product it offers include bed sheets, fashion bedding, utility bedding, and institutional bedding. Since years, it has been creating some dynamic brands like Boutique Living, Heirlooms of India, The Pure Collection, Atlas, Linen Closet, and Simply Put in several other countries like US, Australia, England, and India. Now let us look at the financial reports of Indocount and see what it has been delivering since the past few years. Looking at the financial reports, we can see a massive growth in the net sales from 885 crores to more than 1400 crores in the past 2 years. Net profit includes 159.52 crores. Now here you can notice that in 2019, the profit was of mere 8.65 crores, but today it stands at more than 150 crores, which means the company has been exceptional with the operations and projects it has been carrying out. Indocount Industries is trading around rupees 300 at the National Stock Exchange and at the Bombay Stock Exchange. The market capitalization of the company is more than 5,900 crores and is inching towards the 6,000 crore mark. The sector PE, which is price to earning ratio, is 27.20 for the textile sector, and for the company it is 17.09, which means that the company is fairly undervalued in this sector. If you want to learn more such stuff, hop on to Youth Vesting on Instagram. The link is given in the description box below. We put such learning stuff there. Make sure to check it out. Now let us see what the shareholding of FIIs, promoters, and DIIs say about this company. Promoters have neither decreased nor increased their stake. The stake remains constant, which is 58.94%. FIIs are the foreign institutional investors, and they have been increasing their stake since June 2020 from 7.27% to 7.96%, which means they see investing in this company is an opportunity in the coming few months. DIIs also increased their stake in the last few months. Now, recently, all the textile stocks have been in the news as the government has announced a production linked incentive, that is the PLI scheme for textile sector, with a humongous budget of more than 10,600 crores. The government has said that the scheme will help attract more than 19,000 crores of fresh investments and generate over 7.5 lakh jobs in the coming future. That's all for fundamental analysis. Now we'll look at the technical aspects of the company and see what it looks on the chart.
Hello everyone, this is Tejas Thakre from Youth Vesting. So I will be covering here the technical analysis for the stock Indocount Industry, and that is ICIL, right? So if we look at the monthly time frame, we can say that it has broken the monthly supply. So this is really a good point for us. And if we mark the demand zone for the monthly time frame, we can say that if any one of you had bought or entered here, so you have made like 170% returns on your investment. This is really a good investment, right? Also, if we check the daily time frame, we can see here that the stock has also broken the daily supply as well. So if we mark the demand zone right here, this will be your demand zone for the daily time frame. So we can expect here is that if we are looking as a technical aspect, so we can wait for the stock to retrace back to the demand zone here, and then it can accumulate here and then it will move up again. Like this is a really good space for the stock to cover downside, right? So many investors would be interested for this to buy at this level, right? So also, if we check how did the stock perform during the COVID period, right? So we can say that it has moved like 60% towards the downside in the month of March, and after that it has covered like 1200% in a year. Like, this is really a good rally, right? So again, if you have bought here, you would have made really good returns on your investment. So if we cover all the key points why this stock is good for the investment, so we can say that it has broken the monthly supply. So this is really a good insight for us, because it can cover really good price levels in the coming months, right? So that's it from my side. Also, if you want some further updates or want to know about the stock market, so you can head over to our Instagram page, that is @youthvesting. We have also mentioned this in the description, so you can check that. And also we'll come soon again with such stock analysis. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you.
Here's a wrap. Do follow Youth Vesting on Instagram for learning about investments and for stock market updates. The link is in the description box below. And stay tuned for next week, where we'll come up with new updates from the textile stock market.